Hello, Direk. May gusto lang namin itanong kasi 2023 ito unang in-announce.
Yes.
And syempre iba pa yung
Yes.
si Saga.
Yes. And iba din ang director.
Ay, iba pa din ba?
Yes,
director
oo,
mo?
iba yung director lang. I think it wasn't announced, pero when I learned kung sino dapat magde-director, syempre kinabahan din ako.
Sino ba dapat?
I heard it was Irene Villamor. Yes, si Ate Irene, my ate. No? So, nung binigay siya sa akin, ang
Kailan
alam
po siya binigay sa?
I think it was early last year, before I shot Lotto Winner, before I went to Australia, binigay na siya sa akin ni Tita June, pinabasa natin. Sabi ko, sige Tita June, gawin ko. And then, after nun, wala pang cast na sinasabi. As in, ano lang. And then, pagbalik ko, yun na, si Kim and si Jenna. And then, yun nga naalala ko, it was Sarah and Mateo supposedly. So medyo may, syempre added pressure. Yun.
Pero paano niyo siya tinanggap, Direk? Yung nang-offer sa inyo. And syempre nalaman niyo na iba yung dapat na...
Oh, well, number one, nung tinignan, syempre nung na-excite ako na it was Kim and Gerald, nag-sink in sa akin when I was talking to some of my friends. Sabi nila, parang si Kim kaya, pero kasi kaya nga kanina dinidiscuss ko, may certain look yung Korean. It's because yung lalaki was part of the Wonderful Nightmare. And medyo different, syempre hindi mo aasa, syempre from Mateo to, in terms of looks, di ba? Pero sabi ko dun sa friend ko, parang kaya naman dalhin naniniwala ko na kayang dalhin ni Je yung character, maitatawid nung chemistry nilang dalawa and yung charisma nila on screen. Kaya hindi na rin ako kumbaga nung pinanood ko siya, mas kaya talaga. Lalo na with their talent. As in,
Pero parang this was envisioned para for a couple talaga. No?
yes, opo, yun. Kaya medyo, syempre it was Sarah and Mateo, medyo may pressure. And they also know it naman nung scene per scene namin, napag-usapan namin yan ni Kim. And ayun nga, since mas medyo open na kami sa isa't isa, na-discuss din naman namin na, at yung sinabi ko na, anuhin natin to bukod sa galingan natin, syempre we always give naman our best in everything that we do. Pero naniniwala, kasi sinabi ko sa kanila, naniniwala ako na kaya ninyo yung material, lalo na si Kuya Jen.
May, kumbaga Direk, tinanong niya rin po ba ang production or ang Biba kung bakit sa inyo napunta or ano?
Hindi na. Parang it wasn't, hindi na siya na-discuss. Nung scene per scene, tas nalaman ko na from Kim, because Kim pala was tapped for a cameo role in this film. So, she was tapped by Ate Irene. So, nung nalaman ko from Kim na it was Ate Irene, minessage ko agad si Ate Irene, ganyan, talaga ba ikaw gagawa? So, syempre, nasala ko kinabahan kasi Irene Villamor yung gagawa, no? So ayun, siguro it was just really destiny na magsama-sama na kaming tatlo. And sabi nga ni Ate Irene, sabi niya, kaya niyang tatlo itawin.
Okay, thank you, Direk.
Thank you, Direk.
Thank you.